Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, a very good news which is coming here from ISRO here. So ISRO has launched free quiz certification program. This is completely free. You do not have to pay any amount. And friends, anyone can participate in this free certification program. 10th pass, 12th pass, graduate, postgraduate, housewife, working professional, anyone. And friends, already many people have started putting this certificate. You can see this certification of participation. So already many people have started putting the certificates on the LinkedIn, and definitely it will have a value. And also one more thing which I wanted to tell you, friends. So there is a chance of winning. There is a probability of winning cash prize. So here they have given all the details. So friends, the top best performers will be awarded cash prize of 1 lakh rupees. The second best performer will be awarded 75,000, and the third best performer will be awarded 50,000, and the next 100 performer will be awarded 2,000 rupees, and again the next 200 best performer will be awarded a prize of 1,000 rupees, and certificate everyone will be getting. Okay, and friends, it's just a quiz of 300 seconds, you can say 5 minutes, but you can complete this 10 question quiz in just 1 or 2 minutes. I will be giving you complete detail, but before that, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you will be getting all the updates. And also friends, it takes a lot of effort in searching the content, bringing it for you, recording the videos, editing, uploading. 3 to 4 hours goes in one single video. So your one subscription, one like, one share motivates us a lot. Okay, now, so friends, here this is very simple. You have to fill few of your detail, and I will also tell you how you will be able to get the certificate, each and every detail. Okay, before that, friends, you can land your dream analytics job. Learn live from the top data expert, 100% job assistant, 300 plus partner companies, 50 plus practice interviews, 75 plus case studies. Book a free counseling now. It is completely free. The next batch starts soon. Hurry, limited seat left. NSDC certified programs are there. Learn by doing industry level projects. 6+ project to gain hands-on experience by working on the latest data analytics tool. The link is in description. Enroll now. Friends, here you can see this is the website, and this link will be given in the description as well, right? Okay, so participate in the Chandrayaan 3 Maha Quiz. So friends, before that, you can play this video like how to play quiz. So here all the information has been given on the YouTube, like how you will be, but anyway I will show you. So what you have to do first, so you have to click on participate now, and then you have to fill your detail like your country. So all Indian people only are eligible to apply for this. Okay, name, and then your mobile number. So fill your details correctly, because you will be getting the OTP, and also you will be getting the email on your email ID to download the certificate, right? Okay, gender, state, and district, right? And then you have to proceed. Once you do proceed, then you will be able to play the quiz, right? So as you can see here, right? So as I showed you, so Chandrayaan 3, and once you complete this, then you will be getting thank you for participating in the quiz. Congratulations on completing the Chandrayaan 3 Maha Quiz. So within 2 minutes, you will be able to do your dedication to expanding your knowledge about space. So basically here they will be asking, so what is your Shakti point? Okay, and what was the rover which you sent, and what was the vehicle basically they used to launch Chandrayaan. So this kind of questions will be there, which you are already aware, but you can gather some more information about Chandrayaan 3, and then only you play this Maha Quiz, right? Okay, now friends, after successful completion, and automated SMS and email as the same case will be delivered within 24 hours or so to user mobile number or email for downloading the certificate. So within 24 hours, right, you will be getting the email or the message to download the certificate. So this is the information, friends, I wanted to give you. And see, definitely it is very useful, and that is the reason people are attempting the test, and then they are putting the certificates on the LinkedIn, right? So you can see the LinkedIn is full of the certificates, right? So you can also search Chandrayaan 3 Maha Quiz, and then you will be able to see there are a lot of people already completed, and they have put on LinkedIn, so that the recruiter, see, this is your extracurricular activities. You can put in your resume that you had participated in the extracurricular activities. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, take care, and all the very best. We will be always there with you. Thank you.